wife claims that she just picked up a kitten in the middle of the road. She says it appears that it's been hit by a car, and we are at the vet right now, and she just pulled in front of me. Oops, sorry. He might jump out.
He's not gonna jump out.
Hi, buddy. Are you okay? Oh man, you are a little messed up. Okay, buddy. Well, we're gonna. Yes, we're gonna try and take care of you. Okay. Oh boy. All right, buddy. We still don't know how this kitten made it into the middle of a busy city street. It appears that the kitten was so scared it let my wife pick it up no problems, never have seen her before in its life. The kitten found the safest spot in my wife's rented Audi, which is a whole other story we'll get to in another video. Now back to the cat. We made the decision to take responsibility for the cat at the vet and afterwards for now. Look at him.
Oh, big stretch.
Look at him.
Hello.
Yes, hello. Home from the vet for the very first time. We have no clue. But, as you can see,
What is he looking like?
as you can see,
Is it stretching?
what's down there? It's the hallway of doom as of right now.
I mean, he seems good.
Head nudges, head nudges. Coolest little thing. My goodness, look at his markings. Really reminds me of a little Savannah Chat. I don't know if that's...
Nice camera.
Look at that lip. See that eye? And one side of his face is all puffy. One cracked canine that we're not going to show you right now. Nudge the camera. This is my new little driving. This is our new little co-pilot for driving.
Your eye's
rally.
all gunky.
It's all gunky. I gotta wipe that eye.